Okay, now we will start the 9th chapter, Discrete Mathematics. In Discrete Mathematics, there are 4 kinds of truth tables are there. That is PRQ, PNQ, P implies Q, P double implies Q. So, this is the first model, 6 mark first model, and P and Q, first you have to take like this only, the 4 different values, true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. These are known as the truth values of that particular statement P and Q. So, always you should remember the same way, that means same order. First both the values are true, next first value true, second value false, false, true, false, false. So, you can remember like this also, if 2 friends are there, like both are came to school, so true, true. First person came to school, second person absent, so true, false. Next reverse case, first person is absent, second person came to school. Fourth case, both are absent, so false, false. So, this is easiest way to remember. True, true, so both are present to school. True, false, first person came, second person absent. Next, first person absent, second person came, both are absent. So, if they give like this, suppose if they ask you to find PRQ, PRQ means in PRQ at least one value is true, in P and Q it is true only. That means what? Here true, true, true only, at least one value because both are true. Here one true is there, true. Here one true is there, true. Here false. That means what? All are true except this one only. So, at least one true is there, it is true. So, here if at least one false is there, false, opposite to this case. So, here true and false, false, false and true, false, false and false, false. So, here true. So, quite opposite to this one. This is PRQ, this is P and Q. So, in PRQ at least one value is true, true. In P and Q at least one value is false, false. So, here we will get the 3 truth values, 1 false value. Here 1 true value, other 3 false values. Next, P implies Q. P implies Q means if P is true, Q is false, false. Otherwise, all are true. That is the way you should remember. If P is true, Q is false, false. Otherwise, all are true. Next, P double implies Q. P double implies Q means if P and Q contain same truth values, it is true. Otherwise, it is a false. So, same truth values means what? True, true. So, it is true. Again, false, false also it is true. So, in middle it is a false and a false like this. So, these 4 are very important, you should remember. Next, negation P. Negation P is opposite to P. That means what? If P is true, negation P is false. Again P is true, negation P is false. False, false. So, true, true. Just opposite you tell, false, false, true, true. Negation Q opposite to these values, false, true, false, true. So, this is just you have to remember these fundamentals first. So, listen one more time. These values does not change. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. They will give, or you have to assume like that only. Then they will ask you to frame the table like this, or some other value also they will ask. That is one model. Sometimes they will ask you to prove that is a tautology or contradiction. Tautology contradiction means if all the values in the last column are true, then it is a tautology. And you will see the problems. If the last column truth value contains false, it is contradiction. So, tautology as well as contradiction. Next value is a logically equivalent statements. So, there are 3 kinds of models are there here. So, we will see one by one model now. Okay, we will see now. Now, this is very simple model. They will ask you just to construct the truth table for the given statements. Construct the truth table for the following statements P, R, Q and negation Q. That means what? First you have to see the columns. First you have to frame the column P, R, Q. Next negation Q column. Next and for these 2. That's it. So, very simple. First P, Q. I already told this is the way you should remember. True, true, this combination will not change. True, false, false, true, false, false. Now PRQ means what? At least one value is true in both the, it is true. So true, true, false. That's it. Then negation Q. What is negation Q? Opposite to this one. False, true, false, true. Then you have to see AND for these two. So just to remember what I told for AND, P and Q is if it is false, false. If both are true, then only true, otherwise false. So true, false. So one false is there. So I am doing AND operation, false. Next, true, true, true. True, false, false. False, true, false. That's it. After that, you can draw the lines like one by one like this. You can do some decoration part. That's it. So very easy. The only thing is you should remember PRQ, negation Q and AND statement. Then you frame the columns, automatically you will get the answer very easily. Okay, we will see the next problem. So now